EM1 Computer Technology Materials Computer Pays email program located at www.paysjobs.com/em. Procedure You are going to open and delete 5 inbox messages. Open the internet browser on your computer, Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox. Click in the address bar at the top of the screen and type the following address: www.paesjobs.com/em. Press Enter or Return on your keyboard. Locate and double-click on Ella Marshall to open the message. Delete this message by clicking on the red X located at the top of the message. Click on Yes when a box appears that says Delete this email message. Repeat steps 4 through 6 to open and delete the following messages: from Sam Marshall about job interview, from Penny Hall about first days on the job, from Luann Reed about coworkers, from James Houston about fringe benefits.